Mal, I'm a professional illustrator from Sheffield, and in my last few videos I've been talking about paid for brushes, independent brush makers, and today is the good stuff. It's the free brushes and where to find them. So with that, let's get into the video. First up, we've got brushes for Procreate. Brushes for Procreate reminds me a lot of defont.com back in the day. I think it's still going, but it's got hundreds of different types of brushes that you just need to like trawl through. At some point I might do a video showing like some really good ones from this site. In amongst all the standard brushes, you've also got stamp brushes for like hair and eyes and things like that. And as you can see, there are pages and pages of free brushes. Next up are True Grit Texture Supply, who have appeared in one of my other brush videos, but the reason I'm showing you now is because they do have free stuff, and because they're one of my favourites I couldn't help but show them again. So they have like over 100 free brushes. When I started out on Procreate, this is the first brush pack that I installed, so I've got some real favourites in here, worth checking out for sure. Also appearing again is Retro Supply. Now Retro Supply's free brushes are slightly harder to find. You actually have to lure to this sort of hidden page, which I can't find on their site. And it's very fun. It's called Steal This Brush Pack, which, you know, is quite an inviting thing to say. But yeah, if you put your email address in, you get sent through an email and you get to come to a page that allows you to download all their free brushes. Now there's not loads of brushes in this little pack, but what they do have is a really good sort of taster of what Retro Supply offer. They are good quality brushes, and you can see just from looking at the sort of the fade off of the textures there. And then we have Georg Brush. Georg Brush is a site that I've only just come to very recently, and I've used a couple of his brushes. They are really cheap for the paid ones, but you also get so many free ones. It's worth, you know, looking through his stuff. This guy's a fantastic illustrator, and I think the brushes that he's created really come from a point of experience. One of the things I particularly like about Georg brushes are the template brushes, which just speed up the way you draw, and if it's something you can't draw very well, it's a good way to practice. But that's not to take away from his real brushes as well. They are so good. Last up we have Gumroad, who I think everyone probably knows or have heard of. Great logo. But as part of their blog, they also have things like free brushes. So it's a lot of things that they can sort of send you off to places on their site with just the free stuff, which is full of really good brushes. I left these to last because I was quite taken aback by how good these are. So just looking through now, you can see just from there that looks like a real pencil to me. And the other brushes don't disappoint either. They are all of a similar quality. So there you have it. That's my top 5 free brush resources. If anyone has found this super useful or in any way, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps out. And I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.